Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here and from healthytreatsmarket.com, and we are going to make a banana flip cake. I don't know if you've ever remember those. They probably stopped selling them about 10 years ago, but they used to sell these little packets of this very unhealthy stuff that was basically a banana type cookie on top and bottom and banana cream in the middle. So that's what we're gonna do today, but the healthy keto way, okay? So first what I got is I got about a quarter of a banana. I microwaved it and mashed it, okay? I'm gonna add a quarter cup of egg whites to this, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt, okay? And then I'm gonna add a quarter of a teaspoon banana extract. So this is how I get more banana flavor without the carbs, okay? Quarter of a teaspoon. So, and then now I do a cup of my Baker's Basic. You can buy the bulk bags that look like this. That's a 20 serving. You save more money doing that. Or you can buy them in single servings and dump the whole single serving in here. So we're gonna put this in here and we are going to mix this, and it's gonna taste like a banana cake, okay? So this is my banana bread recipe, keto style. Now what I'm gonna do, see how it's all mixed? Now what I'm gonna do is I've got these mini Dash McGriddles. You can see the inside of it. It makes like a pancake. So I am going to spray them and I'm gonna pour this in there. And you can get more than 2 pancakes. You can get like 3 pancakes out of this probably. I'm gonna just do 2 to save time. And hopefully it won't spill everywhere. But you should get 3 to 4 out of a mix. Okay, like see, I filled it up as high as it's gonna go. So this is gonna be 2 bigger pancakes. But again, you can always make 4 thin pancakes if you want. So while that is heating up and getting ready, we're gonna make the cream filling. Remember that Twinkie filling that I was telling you about? What I'm gonna do now, this is how versatile this is. You can literally add any extract to this to flavor it. So if I want this to taste like an orange creamsicle, I'm gonna add a drop of orange to it. If I want like to make like a lemon meringue copycat or something like that, or a lemon cream pie, I can add a couple drops of lemon to this, okay? What I'm gonna do is add a little bit of banana extract to it and mix it up and put it in between here, and then that's gonna be my cake. So I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a teaspoon vanilla extract to that. And we're gonna mix this. And once you add the extract to it and you mix it, now it's gonna taste like banana cream. All right, Dave, I added 1/8 of a teaspoon to this. See, sometimes you might have to whisk it more. You might have to put this in the freezer. You could actually, because this is made with heavy whipping cream, you can actually freeze this and eat it like an ice cream sandwich if you want later on. You totally can do that because this will have that creamy texture. Oh, Dave. Taste that. It was worth the trip. What one is this?
Banana cream.
Banana flip cake.
Remember the banana flip?
Okay.
Kids, we said eat banana flip.
Here it is, guys. Look at that. It might need another minute, but look how perfect pancakes this makes. I just love the dash. I love the dash. I love it, love it, love it.
I just got the bigger one, and now I need to order the
Okay,
smaller
so
one.
because we're pressed for time, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off, okay? And you need to let them cool. The thing is, if you put this on them right now while it's hot, it's just gonna melt. So what you need to do, there's your banana pancakes, okay? Here's the banana pancakes. 1, 2. And all I'm gonna do to this is I'm gonna pour this in the middle, stick one on top, and then it's gonna turn into a cookie. But I gotta let this cool. If I don't let this cool, it's all gonna melt. But I'm gonna show you anyway so you know what it's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna just pour this on top. Okay? And then stick this on top of this. And if you look up a banana flip cake, this is what it looks like, except you can have it the healthy way, the keto way, the very, very low carb way, okay? And again, you're eating super healthy doing this. Okay, guys, just another recipe for you. Again, this is made with the Baker's Basic. Go on healthytreatsmarket.com and you can see tons more recipes like this, okay, guys? We love you. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.